Are you looking for an outdoor umbrella that's strong, durable and long-lasting? Well, keep watching to find out what makes the Shadowspec Unity an all-round awesome shade maker. Hi, I'm Annabella from Spa World and I'm going to run you through the main features and benefits of the Shadowspec Unity. Hopefully this video will give you a really good idea if this particular model could be the ideal shade solution for you. What sets the Shadowspec Unity apart from other cantilever umbrellas out there? Well, it's all in the name, Unity. With the Shadowspec Unity, you can connect up to 4 canopies to the one mast, meaning you can create up to 16 square meters of shade with the sizes available through Spa World. It's also one of 2 models that's hand-built in New Zealand and made to withstand coastal marine environments. If you're looking for an outdoor umbrella to cast brilliant shade at a hospitality venue or at home, say above a spa, a swim spa, dining area, kids playing area, then this umbrella could be a really good one for you. However, if you're looking for one that's slightly smaller or you don't have a need to have more than 1 canopy, then perhaps another model in the Shadowspec range may be more suitable. The Shadowspec Unity comes with 4 patent pending designs that work together. The first one that I'm going to talk to you about is the Shadowspec ShadowLift. Fancy being able to lift your shade without fuss? Well, the ShadowLift means that it uses anti-gravity and gas strut technology in replacement of cables, pins and pulleys typically found on many outdoor umbrellas. Therefore, this makes the ShadowLift and the deployment of the umbrella as you bring it up and down quick and easy. Is it possible to open the umbrella to the height you want or bring it back down to its stored position in just 3 seconds? Well, with some Shadowspec models, including the Shadowspec Unity, yes, you can. With the click of a button, the ShadowGlide will safely and securely lift the umbrella to the height you want or bring it back down to its stored position. Want to be able to move your shade around without actually having to move your umbrella around all the time? Well, with the ShadowLock and its push-catch mechanism, you can easily rotate the umbrella 360 degrees. Shadowspec's flagship umbrellas have LED lights built into the middle hub. After downloading the Shadowspec app and turning on the optional smart battery, you'll be able to make the light as bright or dim as you like. When you use 2 canopies with the Shadowspec Unity, the mast is set to the side, not in the middle. So this makes it really ideal if you're wanting to cast shade over something like a spa, a swim spa, or a kids playing area, because you don't have to worry about the mast getting in the way. This umbrella is also prepared for whatever weather comes your way. So with this one, you can purchase an optional rain gutter, which can be zipped between the canopies and will stop the rainwater from seeping through. Once you've decided where you want your umbrella to go, you need to consider which mount type you require. There's 4 options to choose from. Getting this correct will ensure the umbrella serves the right purpose for you, so you can better utilise your outdoor space. The mounting options include surface plate, ground anchor, portable base, and a wall mount. The Shadowspec Unity comes with 12 canopy colours, 4 different canopy shapes and sizes, a 10-year warranty on its sunbrella fabric, and a 6-year warranty on its frame. So, as you can see, the Shadowspec Unity is designed to be a brilliant shade maker. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information, you can head to our website to find more details about the Unity, as well as the other models we sell in the Shadowspec range.